Hello, welcome back to Life as Derica, and on today we're gonna do a review concerning boxycharm and Ipsy. We probably do what you want to do, like which one is best, maybe.
Sure.
Okay, and on today I have my niece Kaylee. Say hey, Kaylee.
Hey.
She's, how old are you?
13.
She's 13. I also have my other niece behind the camera, LaShawn. Give us a little finger wave. Okay. So let's get started. Stop it.
Wait, I didn't.
So I think we're gonna compare the packages, because BoxyCharm, I haven't did a BoxyCharm review yet on this page, so we're gonna see which one is better, where you get your money worth on Ipsy, which is, I believe Ipsy is like $13 a month, and BoxyCharm, y'all, it is I want to say 28 or 34. Don't tell my husband. Okay. I think we're gonna go like.
I didn't even start yet. Okay, go.
I think we should go like one.
What is it?
One at a. No, I do one. You do one.
Yeah.
You sure you want to do Ipsy, or you want to do this one? Okay. And I did promise them whatever is in these bags this month, LaShawn and Kaylee can have added, because like I say, I have a lot of makeup, and I'm gonna start doing some giveaways concerning these products, because I don't want to just keep collecting products that I'm no longer, or not say no longer, but that I'm not using. So we're gonna see. Yeah, we're about to unbox. So I have Ipsy. Kaylee have BoxyCharm because she wanted to trade. Bigger the better, I guess. So my first thing, I'm gonna show you Ipsy bag. Ipsy always come with a cute little bag, and this is the November bag. That's cute, huh? You don't think so?
It's a bag.
What you think, LaShawn?
It's cheetah print, so I guess it's alright.
And it always comes with a description of everything in the bag. I'm not going to open it up because we want to be surprised of what's in the bag. So I'll show it to LaShawn.
Do you want me to get close?
No, you don't have to get close. So let's get started. So I'm going to get my first product. And I have here is a scrub. It's a citrus oil blend and Dead Sea salt scrub. Let's open it up.
You got a smell? It smells like lotion.
Let's see what it is. Oh, you can feel the sea salt. Feel it.
Oh, yeah. I feel like so. What do
You want to feel the lotion?
Oh.
Oh my god, yeah. I thought it was more professional.
I am professional.
I don't know about this.
Ooh.
kind of rough?
Why does it dry
Because I
out
wouldn't want to
after that?
put this on my
face.
body. Let's see if you. It say apply to wet skin, so that's what we're doing wrong. Gently scrub as desired. Gently scrub in a desired area in a circular motion up to 1 minute. Then you rinse with warm water. So it's like a body scrub, like to get like any dead skin and all that good stuff. So I guess it'll be useful if we use it correctly, right, you guys?
Yeah.
Okay.
The direction.
Because it felt weird after a while.
Kaylee, what do you have?
Mango Luna Magic. I don't even know what that is. Oh, it's for lips.
What is it? Like a
It's for lips. It's lip balm. Yeah.
Oh, they lip balm.
I show my hand. Oh, it's not. They do have a smell. Because it's like cherry. Orange.
And this one must be like. This one's
Citrus?
mango.
Oh.
Mango is a hydrating lip balm. And this one is the same. So cherry.
It smells different.
You want to smell?
Yeah.
The hand is out again. Get that hand. Oh my goodness, y'all.
I only have one hand. Oop, I put it on the carpet.
Well, you got some juice.
I call it cherry.
Honestly, I can't smell any of it.
No.
Okay.
Don't tell me you got
No, I don't.
the corona. No, you guys aren't.
Cancelled.
So, is this something y'all guys want?
I mean, I'm gonna say yeah to everything.
Okay. My next
Yeah,
one
we
is booyah. My next one is a I can't see. This is serum.
Plant Perfusion Supreme Serum.
Oh, so this is for the hair. Can you read the? I can't see. It's dark in this room.
I
You can
cannot
see it?
see that.
Let me see.
The hand is back.
Plant
We just
Profusion
wrote that. We
Supreme
just read that.
Serum.
We just read that.
Gold Faden MD is the company.
I'm saying the description.
Exactly.
On the back. Yeah, nobody's about to read that. It's too small.
Let's see. We can open this one. This is for your hair. Oh.
I'm just gonna drop it on the bag.
Okay, that
Well,
face.
it's probably like
It smells like
a cleanser, maybe, huh? I'll read this later when I have my glasses on. But I'm thinking Kaylee have on glasses, but I guess they're no help to man, cause
thick lenses.
she can't tell what it says.
It just needs some lighting.
But to me, it feels as if it's a
cleanser.
yeah, like a face cleanser, right?
I thought you said it was for hair.
I was thinking hair because I've read the word serum, but
Oh yeah.
it may be a face cleanser. That's what I'm thinking. Oh, we can look on here.
Didn't you just say what it is?
Oh. Yeah, because there is the things I need to see. Okay, go Kaylee. Ah, what is that?
I call this
Just because it's big doesn't mean it's good.
This could be one of my gifts.
Wow.
Meaning her Christmas present. Merry Christmas.
Ooh.
Yeah. It's a makeup.
What palette is
It's
that?
an eyeshadow.
So what's the brand?
They're different brands.
Yeah,
I
the
thought they
name
were all the
of it
same.
is
There's
on
something
there.
on like the
name.
Item.
Oh my goodness, help us.
The-
Lord.
It's cute. It has.
So try that shade on your skin.
You want to give me one of those?
No, just take it and swatch it on your hand. Let's try and come up closer. So.
That's the brown one.
Where?
Come on.
Really see it, obviously.
Let me do
Oh
this.
my
Let
god.
me swatch it on there.
Okay. Glittery.
I see she don't watch Kylie Jenner.
No, I don't.
You're not doing a good job.
Exactly.
It's all,
I already did that one.
they're really,
Cute.
I
They're
don't know if
black.
they made for our skin color.
Except for the liner.
it's eyeshadow or highlighter.
They eyeshadow.
They're eyeshadows.
Oh, they're cute.
Yeah.
That's a cute little palette. Nice little fall colors.
It's not even really gonna be fall anymore. But, you know, it's all good.
So who's gonna take that one?
Not me.
Me.
Probably show up on my skin better, but
Okay, the next one, maybe this one you can take place. So this one is an eyeshadow. Lumen
Luna Magic.
Magic. Ooh, I don't know who still wears blue. Can you see it?
yeah.
She acted very like she probably wasn't wearing blue. I guess.
It's eyeshadow? Let me see
You
how
can't see that at all. Barely. Yeah, you could take that one definitely.
No, yeah. Let's
I
just.
hope you're not getting my legs and oh my goodness.
I don't think I am.
Yeah, you got my legs.
No, I didn't.
This is gonna be amateur night at the Apollo. Amateur night at the Apollo.
She's a new gym.
I mean, I know that what the Apollo is, because Papa used to watch it. I know what the Apollo is.
Oh really?
Yes.
Okay.
I know what the Apollo is.
What's the Apollo?
Isn't it like, it's a theater.
And what they do there?
They like do some competition.
And where it's located?
In New York. God.
Yeah, we remember that.
Lip line, I would call this too.
No, you can't have everything.
She can have the stuff in the Ipsy.
You got the palette.
She can
so-
have the Ipsy. Are you even gonna use this?
No.
Exactly.
I was just about to say that. To
It's
be honest, you
gonna
can
go
keep it
to
all.
waste. Lip liner. I
Ooh.
don't know what color this is. It's like maroon.
Kaylee, we need to know the brand and
Oh my
everything.
gosh. It's C8. Look.
I'm trying to become a YouTuber that potentially, maybe one day soon, make money off of this, and by the looks of it,
Yeah.
we ain't getting nowhere.
Well, they like authenticity.
No, they don't.
Authenticity.
So that's the color.
I don't know how it's pronounced. It's not my fault they made it
Wait,
complicated.
where? Oh, I see it. Very
cute. Okay. They should try to put some on your lip.
okay.
That's a good pencil too, because it's big. I don't like when you get lip liner and it's like a sharpener. It's just this, and once you use it, you can't turn it and make it. It's just that. What was that brand?
C8.
So I think we have like two more. How many you have up in your thumb?
You don't want me to look?
Like feel it.
Oh. Two more things.
So mine is a toner. I love toners. You know why you should use a
I've
toner?
never.
Why?
So
I
you-
had a Bible.
Yeah, so you use toners before you do, like, once you wash your face and all that good stuff. Once you apply your primer and all that, you put a toner on.
The more you know.
I believe.
Ah. Oh, never mind. I take my statement back.
You do.
I was gonna buy one from
Or you can use a toner also as a finishing spray. But so after you shampoo, oh Lord, I'm teaching you how to do your hair. After you, this is gonna be the word. We're not gonna edit this video. We're gonna keep it just the way it is. It's going out there. It's going out to the world. But I mean, after you cleanse your face, before you put your makeup on, you will put your toner on, and then you can put a primer on. The primer helps.
Didn't you say it
Set
the other way
makeup.
around?
I say shampoo.
No, you just said put it on after your primer.
No,
And now you
you
said
put it on
before.
before. I mean, yeah, I said after you put your.
You said after you put your primer on.
No, I didn't. What I said, LaShawn?
I don't remember. I was nervous.
I said they don't listen to me. I said after you clean your face, you put the toner on, then you put the primer on.
Okay.
You want this? You want a toner?
Sure.
I don't know if you should start using stuff on your face. Do you cleanse your face with anything?
Put down soap.
She just want everything laid.
Cause she not gonna use it.
Yeah,
You
my other
have
stuff is.
a very nice clear face anyway. Girl, you only have
Two
two.
treatment pads. For what?
Yeah, you could take that.
Trans.
Be like a
Some
I need one
soulmate
just for
institute.
myself. Let me see.
Can I open it? I don't know what this is.
No,
Look like cleanser.
that's a nice size.
Yeah, I noticed boxycharm do give you
This gonna take forever to open.
Technical
Just
difficulties.
keep talking.
we ain't gonna have no breaks in this or anything. Just straight.
Don't stab through the pads now.
What's in it?
Cleansing pad.
Yeah.
Something like that. It said treatment pad.
You want this too?
I don't even know what that is.
Like to cleanse your face. To
But
clean
it
your
doesn't
face
say
like
cleanser. It says
Probably to wipe off makeup.
Yeah. It say how to use.
Oh, I don't have any makeup wipes.
Yeah.
Oh
you
my
clean,
God.
You clean your face and neck and upper chest with this. So like makeup wipes. What it smell like?
Like chemicals.
I don't. There's a couple of them in that too.
Yeah, how much is
Let me
that?
see. Let me see one.
Why you gonna waste it?
No, I was saying one to like see if it wipes this off.
Oh, go ahead. Wasting
You're not wasting it. It
Well,
does.
she is using
I'm
it
testing
to wipe the product off.
I got 50. I'll be alright. Guess I don't have no makeup on. Whoopsie-doo.
You
Yeah,
don't need
that's
another
yours.
package of
It's
those.
yours.
What?
Your makeup, whatever.
Okay. So the next one is what is this? This is the eyeshadow. No, you don't need this one, but you need.
I have. I don't have any nails.
Either one.
I thought you said don't bite them. Where your nails went?
Got us some nail biters.
Do
here.
as I say, not as I do. Okay.
It's a bit hypocritical right there. I can't.
Are we talking about?
I'm gonna open it if I'm going. I got a one hand.
Figure it out.
You can stop.
Like if I could get this with one hand, y'all need to get y'all that together.
Because we don't have any nails. Well, you look like you don't got no nails either.
I got something. Okay, I'm gonna stop. 3.
Okay. So I believe this is an eyeshadow.
Bronzer?
Bronzer shadow. You can see it?
No.
I put it right here.
No, you can't see anything.
It's nice.
Oh, I can't see that.
Like a rose.
Maybe you could put on my hand.
Yeah. Let me see.
It came up. Yeah.
Yeah, you could keep this
Girl,
one. Look at it. You can't see it at all.
the camera is up here.
This is I was showing you.
Oh.
My last one. It is a gel mask. From, since someone want me to say the name, Tint Skin. I don't know why I said that to you like you the camera. Yeah. It's nice.
It's nice.
What is it? Sunscreen?
Is apply a thick layer directly onto the face and leave on for 10 to
Oh, a face
15
mask.
minutes. Gently massage any gel or remove with a pad using softly and down. Now they ain't gonna be giving me all this facial stuff like that.
Maybe it's facial month.
So I think Kaylee gonna steal all the
At least she'll put used to it, because mine's gonna be
Exactly.
collecting dust.
No, you're gonna start taking your classes outside the house.
Oh yeah.
top on it?
I was gonna open it.
LaShawn. That on my cart.
Wait. Oh, you want me to open? This is
You want to stop it? I'll open it.
okay.
Yeah, you could definitely have that now.
A little seasoning. Let me smell it.
It don't even smell bad.
Oh,
It don't even
smell like
bad.
something.
It
What
is
is it like? Something I know.
Chemical. Well, not a bad chemical, but like how facial stuff smells. It smells like cucumber, maybe. That's what you compare it to.
Yeah, that's what it smells like.
Okay, you guys. So I believe, yeah, we opened up all your things.
Yeah.
So obviously, I would say, what did I get? So I got the facial sea salt. I got a serum. Let me see what the serum is actually used for. Okay, apply 2 drops onto clean skin every morning and night. So it's just like a cleanser, not a cleanser, but like a serum for your skin. Then I got the eyeshadow duo, and then the other one was a blush, LaShawn. So this one is
with the blue.
I think mine is better than
The palette one?
No.
Oh, wait, where is that?
Does it say the prices on yours?
Yeah.
You talking about
What
it's
was the
30.
blush?
And these things are more.
Oh,
these
give me the
things are
blush.
more than 30.
No, the box itself you pay $30.
I know, but I'm saying all of this stuff is more
Yeah,
than
so
30.
that's why we're trying to see. Come on,
Just
the
test.
little blush.
Test items.
Yeah. So that was a blush.
That's blush?
Yeah. And the toner is for
Tone.
it's to tone your skin.
Oh, so you was just guessing what you thought it might be.
So the toner, they say the C mass it is 32.50 for 2 ounces. The serum is $235 for 30 milliliters, but we have the sample size of this, so the real price is for the bigger size is $235.
So you get
For the bigger size for 30 millimeters. This one actual price, this is $16. So this is the actual size and the actual price.
Is that the one that we put on my hand?
No.
Yes.
This is the
That is.
Yes.
blush. No, this is the blue.
No.
No, we didn't.
Oh.
No, I did put this on.
No.
Yes, I did.
You did this one.
Yes.
Yeah.
I put it.
Yeah. She was talking about this
Oh.
one. The blush, the actual price for the blush is $32. That's the actual size that you will receive. And this one is a 5 ounce. Where's that toner? The toner, this is 1 ounce, and if you get a 5 ounce, it's $30. So, yeah, this stuff would actually, even though some of these things are sample size, it would actually last for a couple of months. So.
Is toner something you use every day?
When you're doing your makeup, or yeah, you can wash your face and put some toner on this for your daily use.
So, what is this? 10? Oh, the eyeshadow palette by Addison Rae.
Wait, stop.
Stop. Not the
Come
Addison
on.
Rae. The eyeshadow palette from Addison Rae is $25. Well, $24, but you know it's basically $25. And the acid pads are $65.
And that's the actual
That's
size,
the
right?
size
That's the actual size. That right there.
for $65.
And how many come in there?
50, I think.
Oh, so there's 50 in there right now.
Yes. 50.
That's pretty good.
Wow.
The gel mask. Where's the
What's
gel
the,
mask?
That's
the
the
little
little
tube
tube.
I don't have it.
LaShawn opened up.
Oh, it's in there.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. 'Cause you took it.
Oh.
The gel mask is $28.
Is that actual size?
Mhm.
Yeah. The lip balms are $16, and the lip line is $18.
Okay,
Excuse
so,
me?
So I believe with boxycharm for sure, even though you're paying what $34, $28, I can't remember a month, you actually
It's a
getting
good
your
price.
your money's worth, right?
Yeah, you getting expensive products.
$65.
$30.
Correct, and you're getting what 5 different products, so that's over $200 worth of products that you're receiving. Yeah, almost well, probably like 150. Yeah, about 150 worth of products. And even though Ipsy also have
Expensive, right?
no, I was saying this is the glam bag for Ipsy, but Ipsy also have a
Like
bigger
individual?
bag
Oh.
that I think it's like $28 also a month, and you'll receive bigger
Probably not the full
items?
size.
yeah, bigger items. Sometimes they give out
For
curling
28?
Curling irons.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, for like $28 a month. So this one is $13. So this is the smaller bag. So most things up in here is more travel size.
Wait, so you got those things for $13? That they were saying like $60 and stuff like that?
Well, no.
you
It's not
pay
the full size.
you pay $13
Oh.
a month, and then
Oh.
they give you.
Okay.
But that was the price of it. The only thing that was full size is the blush. This. And this was the actual price, which is
for $200.
which is $18.
That's still good to say that it's $13.
Yeah, because you paid $18 and you paid both of these $16 and $18. So that's your $13 there, and you still got
Other products.
3 other products. So yeah.
I think. Wait, aren't we doing which one do you think is better?
Yeah,
I think this one's better.
the boxycharm.
Why?
I just think it had better stuff. Cause it's like full size, and it's like $65,
Yeah.
which I think is better. Well, I guess you're paying than that from that.
Correct.
You're
So
paying, like,
I guess it
$15
depends
more.
on how much you want to put out a month, but both of them, and I enjoy getting them because every month it's like you get a little surprise,
A little treat.
a little treat. So it's something that I look forward to every month. I never have to go into the store to buy makeup, so that's a plus. Like I never have to buy anything because usually, and also you guys, every month they allow you to pick one product, both of those. So
Like
every
regular-
month before they ship out your thing, they'll show you everything that you can receive, and they allow you to pick out one.
Well, what you pick from this?
I didn't do it. I usually don't do it because I usually forget.
Like a surprise?
Yeah. So
Oh,
and most of the time, honestly, I forget to do it. So unless I'm thinking about it, I'll go on there and pick my product out for the month. But usually, I'm not gonna lie, I forget.
No, I wouldn't do it. It's reason. It's not free, but it's like
It's
if I'm paying for it, I want to pick
on
it.
sale. Let's say that.
Correct. So I want to say Happy Thanksgiving because this is actually Thanksgiving, you guys, and we look like a Thanksgiving. We look a mess because we've been cooking all night, right?
Yep. Slaving over our house.
Driving all night, and we didn't get any rest. So
Driving all night.
LaShawn,
Oh, she wasn't driving. She was probably sleeping in front.
They get it.
but riding in the car for what, about 7 hours, 8 hours. So We are all tired. We just got finished cooking. It's about 2 o'clock, 3
No.
o'clock now.
Past. It's
About
probably
like
4.
the next day.
And we ate dinner at about 3 o'clock. So we're tired. We're sleepy. We look a mess. But I wanted to come on and do these videos with my niece. Both of them, since I had them in town, and also with me, my niece LaShawn. She did not want to get on camera, but she is in the back. Wave that hand again. And LaShawn is, how old LaShawn? 22?
Did he need to know that? Yes.
LaShawn is 22 and she's going to school to be a nurse, so give her.
Woo!
And Kaylee is 13 and she's in the 8th grade.
Womp womp.
And she loves what?
Huh?
What you like
Oh,
to do?
theater.
And she loves the theater. So you may see her one day on Broadway, and you may see LaShawn in a emergency room near you.
Let's hope not.
Okay.
But just to visit.
Yeah.
I don't know who you're visiting, but anywho. So once again, I want to say I'm a YouTuber now, and thank you for watching Life as Derica. Bye.
Bye.